Well, howdy, howdy, hey. It's Devin M. Anderson here with my final birthday bash book mail extravaganza unboxing event. Try to say that 5 times fast. Oh, it's a big one. Quick shout out to Kevin over at From My Shelf Books and Gifts. It's in Wellsboro, Pennsylvania. And he's a dear friend of mine, and he hooked me up with some good deals on some good books. So let's get into it. All right, use my trusty keys to open it up. Let's see. Oh, there's a little thank you. Thank you for supporting a small business. Of course, Kevin. Of course, man. You're my favorite bookseller, especially since my town doesn't have any bookstores. It's really sad. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Open the book now. Alright. Oh, a little bit stuck here. Okay. And one final. Okay, let's see what we got. Alright. Oh, all kinds of stuff. What is all this? Let's see here. We got Fearsome Creatures of the Lumberwoods. This is a research book. I'm going to be writing a story about the squonk. So the first appearance in folklore of the squonk was in Fearsome Creatures of the Lumberwoods, written by William Thomas Cox. Good find. What else do we got? Oh, yes. We got William Peter Blatty. William Peter Blatty, The Exorcist. I think it glows in the dark. You want to check? Let's check. Here. Let's see if it glows in the dark. Ready? Kind of. A little bit glows in the dark. I haven't really, had it very long in the light, so that's okay. But I can't wait to read this. I've never read The Exorcist, actually. But I've seen the movie, and it scared the crap out of me when I was a kid. So I'm sure this is going to be even crazier. I'm very happy to have the glow-in-the-dark edition. So what else? Here we go. Ooh. Oh, Operation Ragnarok by Kevin J. Coolidge. That's great, Kevin. Thank you so much. I didn't think you were going to give me a copy of one of your books. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. You're such a sweetheart. I can't wait to read this. I love Viking stories. That's great. Oh, wow. Very cool. I will have to check that one out. Oh, wait. Let's see. Let's see if he signed it. Oh, he did. Get ready to rock. Kevin Coolidge. Hell yeah. Check it out. If you want a Viking story, check out Kevin Coolidge's story. And finally, this one is for me as much as it is for my kids. The illustrated The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien. Oh, hardback. This was not a cheap book, but it is fully... Ooh, and I got some bookmarks too. Fully illustrated. Lots and lots of illustrations. Very, very cool. The Hobbit is my favorite book of all time. I've read it 16 times. This one, when I read it to my children, will be the 17th. And can't forget the cool swag bookmarks from my shelf, books and gifts. Very cool. Kevin, you're the man. You got me everything I asked for, plus some. It's a very happy birthday, sir. Thank you very much for my birthday haul from My Shelf Books in Wellsboro, Pennsylvania. Check them out. I don't live anywhere near them. This is all shipped to me, so he can ship it to you too if you want a book. And if he doesn't have it, he can order it. He's good like that. Kevin, take it easy. Thank you very much, folks. Have a good one.